So guys, kung nagsasend pa rin kayo ng invoice manually, why not auto-charge the client using PayPal and using your own sub-account with Go High Level? What you need to do is to open your dashboard, pay and get paid. Okay, click nyo lang yan guys. Punta kayo ng subscription. Now, create subscription plan. Click on create plan. Let's say EVA plan, yung pinaka-name ng plan nyo. And then create subscription product. Then product name, say EVA plan. And then create product type, digital goods. Then here, click nyo lang yan. Click on next. Let's say ang plan natin is $250 per week. So fixed pricing siya. Then click next. Then plan name, this is something that customer will see. Okay? So let's say EVA plan na lang din. Plan description is really up to you if you want to add. But here, I'm just gonna click on next. So of course, for currency, we're gonna choose USD. You can mag-set up ng one-time fee or you can offer free trial. For the billing, unlimited billing cycle, since hindi naman natin alam kung kailan magka-cancel si client. For the price, $250 and this is every week. Now for the tax guys, if you're covering the tax for your client, then choose don't calculate tax. But for me, I include the tax on my invoice. That's around 4.5 para malinis kung makukuha yung 250. Okay? So for Miss Cycle, let's say 1. Okay? And then, click on next. Okay? So review nyo lang yung plan and then turn on plan. So pwede nyong i-customize dito kung gusto nyo ganyan, kung gusto nyo color blue. Ayan. Pero mas gusto ko yung gold. And then copy nyo lang yung code. And ito, punta kayo sa Apollo sub-account nyo or kung meron kayong Go High Level na sub-account. So, ilagay nyo lang dyan. Ito, maglagay lang kayo ng code. Tapos, i-enter nyo lang dito yung code. Ayan yung code. Then, save. So, ayan yung preview niya, guys. So, pag si client nagbayad or nag-subscribe, let's say, ayan, kinik nyo yung debit or credit card. So, let's say ito, 1,000. Kasi nga, sinet up ko na to. So, 1,000 yung bill ni client. Pag nag-sign up siya dito using debit or credit card, sabihin nun, guys, automatic bill na siya ng 1,000 every month. So, that's how you set up automatic payment. Bye!